friends, and welcome to Crafting with Cragin. This month we are making fall luminaries. So let's take a look and see what's in our take and make bag. And take and make bags are upstairs in the adult collection. Just ask at the circulation desk and they will give you a bag to take home. So the first thing that we have in our bags, we have a mason jar. Then we have tissue paper that are cut out like leaves. It's very fall, it's an autumnal craft. Some Mod Podge, a paintbrush, and a tea light. So, this is a pretty easy craft to do. We are going to take the Mod Podge and apply it to the mason jar, and then we will stick the leaves on. We will wait for that to dry. We will apply another coat of Mod Podge, wait for that to dry. Then, at the end, you'll take your tea lights, you'll pop them in, and you'll be good to go. So, let's make a fall luminary. So now we have our luminary jar, and mine's mostly dried, so we're going to take it for a test spin. So if you want to put more leaves on, that's totally fine. I think the more you layer it, the better fall leaf effect you'll get. But for our purposes for this DIY video, we're just going to do one layer of leaves. But do whatever makes you feel great. Get creative. So we have our jar. It's pretty much done. I got my luminary. I'm going to turn it on. Drop it in. So yeah, so there we go. There's our fall luminary. I think it looks pretty cute. So, hopefully you will have a lot of fun making this, and we'll see you next month. Who knows what we'll make.